Discover all you need to know about BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital in New Delhi, India in this video. BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, a leading healthcare institution in Delhi, was established in 1959. With over 650 beds, the hospital offers expertise in various specialties such as liver transplants, oncology, and neurology. BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital in New Delhi boasts an impressive team of over 500 expert doctors, including 150+ internationally trained specialists, ensuring top-notch medical care for all patients. The hospital features state-of-the-art facilities, including 17 modern operation theaters equipped with the latest medical equipment, ensuring the highest standards of healthcare for patients. With a success rate of over 95% in complex surgeries, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital is renowned for its advanced treatments and cutting-edge technology, making it a preferred choice for patients seeking high-quality healthcare services. In recent years, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital has seen a significant increase in the number of international patients, with a growth rate of 20% annually, highlighting its reputation as a top destination for medical tourism in India. International patients at BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital have access to state-of-the-art facilities, including dedicated international patient services, interpreters, and assistance with visa arrangements. Over 20% of the hospital's patients come from abroad seeking specialized medical treatment. Located in the heart of Delhi, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital is surrounded by a range of accommodation options for international patients and their families. From luxury hotels to budget-friendly guest houses, there are plenty of choices within close proximity to the hospital. Situated just 15 kilometers away from the international airport, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital offers convenient access for patients traveling from overseas. The hospital's strategic location ensures easy connectivity for international patients seeking medical treatment in Delhi. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in medical treatment in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.